Hey, what's up everyone? Today I'm going to show you how you can turn those old catalytic converters into some serious cash. That's right, those rusty, forgotten parts can actually be a gold mine. Stick around and I'll walk you through the process. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell for more money-making tips step by step. Let's get started. First off, let's talk about why catalytic converters are valuable. Inside these bad boys, you'll find precious metals like platinum, palladium and rhodium. These metals are worth a lot on the market, and recyclers are willing to pay top dollar for them. So how do you get in on this action? Step 1, find some old catalytic converters. You can often get them for free or cheap from auto repair shops, junkyards or even your own old vehicles. It's all about networking. Talk to mechanics, car enthusiasts and anyone who might have some lying around. Step 2, safety first. When handling catalytic converters, always wear safety gloves and eye protection. These parts can be sharp and dirty, so it's better to be safe than sorry. Next up, step 3, extracting the precious metals. This part can be a bit tricky and requires some special tools. If you're not comfortable doing it yourself, you can sell the whole converter to a specialized recycling facility. They have the equipment and expertise to extract the metals efficiently, but if you're up for the challenge, here's how you can do it yourself. First, you'll need to cut open the converter. A reciprocating saw or angle grinder works great for this. Inside, you'll find a honeycomb structure coated with the precious metals. Carefully remove this honeycomb and crush it into smaller pieces. Step 4, sell the extracted metals. There are many online platforms and local buyers who are interested in purchasing these metals. Do some research and compare prices to get the best deal. Remember, the price of these metals can fluctuate, so it pays to stay informed about market trends. Finally, step 5, reinvest your profits. Use the money you make to buy more old catalytic converters and repeat the process. Over time, you'll get better at it and increase your earnings. And there you have it, a simple step-by-step guide to profiting from old catalytic converters. It's a great way to make some extra cash while helping the environment by recycling. So, what are you waiting for? Go out there and start turning those old converters into cash. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell for more money-making tips. See you next time.